Wow, es muy bonito.
So on today's adventure, we're going to take a look at the beautiful scenes of the Cocora Valley, just outside of Salento, Colombia, also known for the world's tallest palm trees. So we here. Yeah, I heard it's the más grande, see, in Colombia.
In the world.
In the world. So we're here in Salento Town Square where I met up with my friend Valentina and her family. And we're going to pay a few dollars and get one of these Jeeps, also known as Willys, and take about a 30-minute ride. You first or?
You're first.
All right. Aquí? I'm going to ride up here. Because it's raining there, but these two crazy sisters are still out there enjoying the views. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So after the Jeep ride, they dropped us off here where you can get food and drinks before your hike through the valley. You could also pay to do the trails by horseback. And the llama. Yeah? You gonna make it? We're gonna run up there. Okay, let's run. After noticing the conditions of the terrain, the competition decided to delay the race to another day. See? Is there? See?
It's granite from Colombia.
It's what?
Only in Colombia. I know.
Ah, these palm trees are only in Colombia? Yeah, I heard it's the más grande, see? In Colombia.
In the world.
In the world, see, in the mundo. Even with the rain, the weather was actually perfect for hiking the hills here in the Cocora Valley. And I'm choosing to record this on the GoPro because much better water resistance than the iPhone. But
it's better the camera for iPhone? The iPhone?
Say that again?
The camera of the iPhone?
Yes.
It's better than the GoPro?
I think so. I think it has better colors and all of that, but I don't want to keep the iPhone under too much water. So we're still here. So we here,
Valle del Cocora.
Valle Cocora.
Cocora Valley.
Cocora Valley. And it's also the place of the world's tallest palm trees. So if you look around, these palm trees are unique. You ain't gonna find them much taller than this. We got video, we got some drone footage. We doing it. We could just say buenos dias or buenas tardes.
Buenas tardes.
Buenas tardes.
Buenas tardes.